What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to 2021. Super excited for this year. Got a bunch of cool stuff coming up. Excited to show you guys. But first off, I just wanted to show you the changes I made to my dirty garage and how I turned it into a shop. And then we're going to get into all of these things and all the new videos that are coming really soon. So let's get into it. All right, you'll remember my garage was a giant mess and not the greatest place to work in, but it was a carport and didn't have walls. I changed that. I added some really simple plywood walls and it changed everything. This is a barn door that I made on casters. So nice. There's the truck out there. Wow, still a mess out there. Anyways, we've got a new 35-gallon or 33-gallon air compressor from Craigslist. In here we've got a buttload of steel. This is going to be really cool. This is new bumpers. Going to be making some of those. Super excited. Made a workbench storage place for all the other tools. So much better than that old giant thing I had. This is way more efficient. Now I've got a place for everything. So nice. I was able to lay out my other tools. Got my welding helmets. Thank you, Forney, for sending this out. Super cool. Talk more about that in a minute. Yeah, but game changer of a setup here. Made a huge difference. I shouldn't have been complaining. I was sitting on all this potential the whole time and finally did something about it. So really excited about that. Now I've shown you the new shop area. Let's get into some of these products and videos that are going to be coming to the channel really soon. Check out this insane spread of stuff that we are going to be reviewing and taking a look at and using over the next year, just to get started. So it's just the beginning of the year and we've already got all this stuff to take a look at. So I'm really excited. A fridge. I have not had a fridge yet and this company sent this out. It is a F40C4T&P fridge, which is available on Amazon and is under 300 bucks. So very excited to show you this because I think it's going to be a really good option for me and might be a good option for you as well. Another thing that was sent out is a jump starter. I have wanted one of these for a while. I should have had one since the beginning. They're not that expensive. This is under 100 bucks, I believe. Can jumpstart a 10-liter gas engine or an 8-liter diesel, which is like 100 times bigger than the motor in my truck. So no problem there. Really excited. Nitro gear and axle. We got 488s for the truck. I just put a new transmission in the truck, and that was the perfect excuse for me to just kind of go overboard. And I've got 488s for the truck and along with something else from ARB that's going in the front differential. So really excited about that, you guys. It's kind of turning into the ultimate version of what I would dream the truck to be. So really excited. I've got these dark defense pods we're going to test out. These are super nice lights that are still affordable and compete with the top end lights. So really neat company, really nice guy. And we're going to check these out. Like I said, they're affordable, but the quality is really high. So excited to show you guys those. A real tried and true tested 45-watt draw and a 1-year warranty and waterproof and changeable lenses. So really nice lights that I am really excited to try on the truck. Check out this thing, guys. This is from Forney. As you know, I've been using a Forney welder for all my projects. I think I've done 16 since I got the other welder in less than a year. Well, I reached out to Forney and said, hey, I'm looking for a plasma cutter. Can we do something? They were so generous. They sent me this completely free and said they just wanted me to show it to you guys and continue to show some of their tools. So no problem there. I love their product so far and I'm super excited to be showing you guys this plasma cutter, how to use it, because I'm just learning how to use it. And yeah, that's going to be on the channel soon along with some other cool stuff. So as far as metal cutting goes from them, they also sent me a new helmet, which has been amazing. I've also got a diesel heater. This is something I didn't really plan on picking up, but again, someone reached out, wanted to send me one. These are under 200 bucks and they're kind of popular right now and really good option. I think if you have like a larger caravan or maybe like a Sprinter van, it might be overkill for a truck camper shell because I pretty much sleep in a 0-degree bag, but it's going to be really cool to test out, show you guys. And then also I've got to build maybe something like this year, and this could be perfect for that. So very excited for that. Another thing I've had for a while, but I haven't got to show you guys yet, is a Midland GMRS radio. I'm gonna do an install in the truck on this and do probably some kind of custom mounting solution. So it'll be fun to show you guys that, and it'll be really nice to have some type of communication in the truck when I'm on the trails. Now, you already know this, but I've been part of the Pelican Pro team for a while, since last year. Super cool company, kind of a dream come true for me. To be working with them. I've loved this company since I was a child, a little kid, and yeah, I've had a ton of their cases even before I talked to them, and I'm just super excited to be showing you guys more stuff for 2021 and finally getting out there on the trails with them and all that kind of stuff. I also have this flashlight from them that they sent me quite a while ago, and it's got green light, red light, and it's USB rechargeable, and it's the best flashlight I've had personally ever. So I've been using this for about 8 months. Love it. So I think I'm going to do a little video on it just in case you guys might be interested in it as well. This was not asked for by Pelican, but just something I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, you guys, basically this isn't everything. We've got a lot of stuff for the channel. We've got a new transmission in the truck, gears, we've got suspension coming. We're going to be hitting trails. We're going to be doing fun stuff, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along for all of it and share videos with you guys over the next year. I'm really ramping up how many videos I'm going to be making. We're going to be covering more stuff, not just welding, although I've got a ton of welding projects to show you guys. So yeah, just really excited for 2021. Got a lot of big goals and a lot of aspirations, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. So thanks for following the channel and my Instagram, and I'm excited to see you guys in the next video soon.